Good morning, everyone. Jason here. It is about 5:30 a.m. on Saturday morning, July 9th. I am posting this trading video for the trading day on Friday, July 8th. As I talk about in the post that accompanies this video, we have a very busy baseball schedule, but I have committed to getting these daily updates posted for you. As we are going through yet another Top Step Trader 50K combine. We do these combines periodically in the room, and we are completing another one, and I am posting the update for Friday's trading action. So before we head off to a long day of baseball, I wanted to make sure we got one of these out for you. So let's talk about what happened on Friday. Basically, you could see as we were entering into what we call the 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. swing zone. And we call it that because about that time of day, there is usually a significant move that originates. It's an average of 100 ticks, and it originates in that 1 hour time window between 9 a.m. and 10 a.m. Central Time. And that, while that is a narrow window of the entire day, it's still, you have to figure out how the setup or what is going to be happening inside of that zone that will cause you to initiate a trade. Today it was our market maker levels that gave us the opportunity to get into this trade, and we'll talk about that. And then I will show you the OTG trade of the day video. That trade today lasted about 12 minutes. So it is important to note that as we were getting ready to get into this trade, I did have a couple of ES losers this morning. I had one small CL winner. I had a couple of ES losers where I was fading into momentum. One of the trades actually went 7 ticks positive before it came back and took me out. That particular trade took me out at break even, and then I had a couple of losing trades on the ES. So what you'll see here as the video gets started in just a few minutes, the trade of the day video, you'll see that I was down about 39 ticks heading into this trade. All right, so let's talk about this trade specifically on the CL. One of the things that we look at here, and one of the rules of this market maker levels, is that you could short the first time touch of this daily structure signal. Now, I did not do that today. I did not touch, and I could have, the first time touch of this daily structure signal. But if you look at the consolidation range that we were in, at this point of the day, we were only 80 ticks low to high, and we had spent a tremendous amount of time rotating around in this area. Also, this 45.87 that we made a couple of attempts up to, there was a structure point here, and I wasn't sure which direction. There was another bigger picture structure point. I'm not going to show you this on this chart, but it was on a daily chart around 45.83, and we had consolidated. In fact, I will show it to you here. Give me just a second. I'll take a look. We'll pull up yesterday's trade plan. And if you take a look at the bottom here, this is a descending triangle on your daily chart. And that level right here, the bottom of this level is 45.83. So we had spent a considerable amount of time consolidating this morning around this zone, right? And so what I was a little bit concerned about is that each time when we've made this triple bottom, we had gone and rallied back up off of it. So I wanted a little bit of confirmation off of this 45.83 formation. So I didn't get long or short here off of this daily structure signal. I wasn't quite sure what was going to happen. So as the market continues to progress, we did drop fairly aggressively into our daily structure mid. Now, this is an important thing to note, is that if you don't go from the structure signal to the target and you begin to rotate around this daily structure mid, then you do start getting into the idea that you're going to hit this daily structure target down below you at 44.70. In this case, it was 44.77. So as the market rotated around, you could see that that support became an important level, and we did bounce up over the top, never really closing very much underneath that daily structure signal. And once we got into the 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. swing zone right here, it was my thought process that we were going to break this daily structure mid point here. And so where the video will pick up is I look to get short at 49, and we did rotate just a little bit. We did get that bar that closed significantly below these bars here, these 5-minute bars that closed, and we would be looking then looking to get in short, which we did. And then, of course, the market in about 10 minutes takes you all the way down to your daily structure target. So this move here from 49, I actually get out around 92. And the reason for that is that there was a significant amount of volume around that 91, 92 area. I could have held on for that additional 10 or 12 ticks down into this daily structure target. But this move from 49 down to 90, I think I got out at 92. So 49 to 92 is 57 ticks. And I did take one off at settlement. Prior to that, at 14, we took the other target all the way down to around that 92. But what is important to note here is that even though I didn't go all the way down to the structure target for my target, the market did reach that level, right? That was the way that these market maker levels work. You go structure signal all the way down to structure target. You had this start of the 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. swing zone where you went from 45.70 down to 77. That's 93 ticks. We look for an average of 100 ticks. That's pretty close inside the 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. swing zone. And then the market really from that level, let's come back here. From that level today, that was the low of the day, was your daily structure target. And then the market rallied back up to your daily structure mid. And that is where we settled in. Right into the close, we had 130. We had a little bit of rotation around it. But the point of this is that we did get in here. Your daily structure signal went to the daily structure target. And also, once we kind of figured out we were in the 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. swing zone and we got this nice bar to close underneath, we were able to get in and confirm that move all the way down to the daily structure target. So what I've done here is I have attached that particular trade from the daily structure mid down to roughly this daily structure target as the OTG trade of the day that we took. It was a little bit over, I think it was a 101 tick move for us there today. So like I mentioned, I was down a little bit on the ES, and this recovered. Not only did I recover the losses that I had sustained on the ES this morning, we were able to walk away with a very handsome 50 tick profit on the day. All right, so without further ado, I'm going to let you watch this OTG trade of the day, and I'll be back with you at the end of the video. Okay, in at 49. Stop is 61. The structure signal is target 1 at 14. That's also where the ETA, that's where settlement is. 108 long at 40. Come on, 450, 49. So we came down to the revision signal and bounced. And you've got 35 seconds left on this bar. The market got as deep as 41. Liquidity down there at 50.49. You've got some volume stacked up underneath you here. The recent swing high up here, 70. 67. All right, come on, 49, 48. Let's get down to daily structure signal down there at 14. All right, so you've got to get underneath 45, 44. 44 is where your revision signal is. You need a move and a break underneath that. volume at 49 and 48 down here, trying to follow it up. So you need a break underneath it. 118 long at 48. Come on, 49, 48. Get through that 48, then you've got to get through 45. Come on. Point of control there at 54. $53, $54, 100 long at 45. Come on, break 52, 51. Still looking for that push down. We'll see. 53, 52. There we go. 48, 47. We got to get down through 45. You've got a bottom down here to deal with at 40. And then a spike down around 30. Well, all right, you got a line of liquidity at 45 that we're trying to get through, a line of liquidity down there at 45 that we need to get through. That's right one tick ahead of the revision signal at 44. So a bar closing below 50 is 51 technically, below 50 is good here on this 5 minute and another minute 10. $50 or lower on a close, 44 or lower would be the best. Come on, 47, now 46, 45. Get through underneath it here. There's 46. We've got to get through 45. There's a hit of 45. Come on. Get through. There's 45. Now let's go 44, 43. There's 45. Come on. Push through 45, 44. Get through it. There's 45. Come on, 44. Muscle through. We got to break through the 40 zone. Looking to target down there to the structure signal around 14. The structure signal on the other side there around 13, 14. Come on, close underneath here. All right, so we closed below 50, 51, which is good. You've got, you're at 9:15. You're 15 minutes past the hour. So we'll see here. Let's go. Get through. Come on. There's 43. We got to break that 40. There's 42. There we go. Stop now at break even +1 at 48. And we're looking to target down there to 45.14 as target 1. Come on. So you've got to get down. You've got some 38, 37 is where you've had volume or where you had spike before, and then down to 30. So again, a move and break underneath 30 would be excellent. 136 long at 32. 136 long at 32. Get through it here. 36, 35, 34. Come on. Targeting down to 45.14 is target 1. There's 36, 35. Let's go. Target 1. Target 2 is revision target down there. Let's see. Yeah, revision target around 77, somewhere between 91 and 77. There's 32. Hit through 32, 31. Come on, don't stall. We're going to bring one of these. Come on, get through it. I'm going to hang. There we go. 28, 27. Bring the trail stop down to 39. Target 1 is 14. Come on, get through 26, 25. Target 1 is 14. Get through 26, 25 here. Push through it. There's 25 again. ETH session price is around 18. Daily structure signal is 14. That's target 1 is 15, actually. Bring target 1 down to 15. Come on, get through 26, 25. You've got liquidity down there at 22, 21. Bring the trail stop to 34. $24. Let's go $23, $22. You've got liquidity at $21.20. There's your target 1. All right, bring the trail stop on this next one to 29. Trail stop to 29. And final target is 77-ish, maybe 87 actually. Final target is 87. And here's, I'll show you why in just a second. Final target at 87. So 29 on the stop. We got new low down to 15. You had 147, hit the bid at 15. 77 is your target down here. We got to get through that 14. There you go. 12, 11, 10. Bring the trail stop here now to 24. 07, 06, 05. Bring the trail stop down to 19. Good, Merrick. Good stuff. Anybody else having sound problems? I think, Eric, I'm afraid maybe you're the only one. Maybe refresh. Maybe I'm wrong, but if a little bit of an echo. Okay. There's not much I can do about it, unfortunately. Yep, I'm using Chrome. There's 5, 4. Let's get through it here. Bring this trail stop down now to 16. 16 on the trail stop. We're looking at 87-ish as the target, maybe 90 down there. You've got 05, 04. We're running through it here. Okay, there's 01, 00. Bring the trail stop down to 9. 9 on the trail stop. There's 98, 97, 96. Okay, 9 is the stop. So the entry was 49. That's 40 ticks on the trail stop here. 110 short at 05, targeting 87. Bring the trail stop now to 06. There's 97, 96. You've got volume underneath you. There's 95. Bring the trail stop to 04. Trail stop is 06. There's 95, 94. Bring this target to 91. Bring the trail stop now to 02. 91 is the target. 99 is now the stop. There's 92, and I am going to take it out. I'm not going to dick around with it. There we go. All right, so you can see that I did pull myself off right around that 92 zone. 77 was the daily structure target, so maybe I left an additional 15 ticks on the table. But really, at the end of the day, I was just more excited and happy that I was able to catch this trade and ride it for a bulk of the ticks that were available. So I wanted to get out and protect as much as I could there. I did not. We had some volume stacked up around us down around that 91 area. I didn't want it to hit 91 and then rally up and take me out at some trailing stop that I would have given back maybe an additional 20 ticks. So the fact that we did not make it all the way down, or that I did not ride it all the way down to 77, really is not a huge deal in my opinion in the grand scheme of things. Just really happy to end the week on a positive. It was a really good trading week for us here as we are on a nice 4-day winning streak, and I think we're up about 200 ticks this week. So close to 200 ticks anyway, maybe 190, 185, something like that. But regardless, it's been a good trading week, and we'll get back at it again on Monday morning. So as always, I want to say thank you for spending time watching the videos here at the Oil Trading Group. And until next time, I want to wish you good luck and good trading.